Hi, I'm Yuki. Hi, I'm Yuki. I am 7 years old. I am 7 years old. I am a student. I am a student. I live in Tokyo. I live in Tokyo. I love toy cars. I love toy cars.
My name is Chinidu. My name is Chinidu. I am an engineer. I am an engineer. I live in Logos. I live in Logos. I like to play soccer. I like to play soccer. I have 2 kids. I have 2 kids.
My first name is Sophie. My first name is Sophie. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. I live in Paris. I live in Paris. I like reading. I like reading. I have a cat. I have a cat.
I am Ramesh. I am Ramesh. I am an Indian. I am an Indian. I live in a village. I live in a village. I love gardening. I love gardening. I have a beautiful garden. I have a beautiful garden.
I'm Anna. I'm Anna. I'm from Brazil. I'm from Brazil. I'm a student. I'm a student. I love dancing. I love dancing. I have many friends. I have many friends.
Hi there, it's Jake here. Hi there, it's Jake here. I'm 16. I'm 16. I play video games. I play video games. I live in New York. I live in New York. I want to be a programmer. I want to be a programmer.
My name is Maria. My name is Maria. I'm from Italy. I'm from Italy. I live in Rome. I live in Rome. I can cook pasta. I can cook pasta. I have 1 son and 2 daughters. I have 1 son and 2 daughters.
Hi. Hi. I'm Yuan Fei. I'm Yuan Fei. This year, I'm 10. This year, I'm 10. I'm Chinese. I'm Chinese. I love math. I love math.
I'm Liam. I'm Liam. I'm a chef. I'm a chef. I live in Sydney. I live in Sydney. My favorite sport is volleyball. My favorite sport is volleyball. I have a pet, a dog. I have a pet, a dog.
I'm Eric. I'm Eric. I'm from Canada. I'm from Canada. I can play the piano. I can play the piano. I can't swim. I can't swim. My favorite season is summer. My favorite season is summer.